This P0108 repairing video is dedicated to Chevrolet's drivers. If your Chevrolet is getting a P0108 error code, this video is going to show you one practical solution to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0108. P0108 is the code for a problem with the map electrical circuit sensor having too high voltage input to the engine control unit. Here is one of the most practical solutions to fix Chevrolet's P0108 error code. Method A, the map sensor. The map sensor is typically located on the intake manifold, either next to or on the throttle body itself. First, carefully remove the map sensor from the engine. Inspect the map sensor for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the map sensor. When you install a new map sensor, check to make sure the new O-ring is in place and not damaged. So here is one of the most practical solutions to fix Chevrolet's P0108 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.